Hello friends, in this video we are discussing 20 MCQ of toxicology. This is the first set of toxicology 200 MCQ series. If you found this video is helpful for you, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel for more video updates. Question number 1 is, which of the following case can be categorized as toxicity? Which of the following case can be categorized as toxicity? Development of chronic lung inflammation in smokers. Chronic lung inflammation in smokers can be categorized as toxicity. Option A is right. Development of chronic lung inflammation in smokers. Question number 2 is, liver is the main metabolizing organ in the body. Liver is the main metabolizing organ in the body. Which of the following statement is true? In association with toxicant metabolism and reduction of toxicity. Option B is right. Kidney plays an essential role in elimination of metabolized toxicant through urine. Option B. Kidney plays an essential role in elimination of metabolized toxicant through urine. Is true in association with toxicant metabolism and reduction of toxicity. Option B is right. Next question is, which of the following is not a natural route of exposure to chemicals? Option D, intraperitoneal. Intraperitoneal is not a natural route of exposure to chemicals. Option D is right, intraperitoneal. Next question is, which of the following is most accurate in case of biotransformation of the chemical? Which of the following is most accurate in case of biotransformation of the chemical? Option C is right. Biotransformation is the transformation of the chemical into other irrespective of into its activity. Chemicals into other irrespective of its activity. Option C is right. Next question is, what is bioaccumulation? Bioaccumulation is accumulation of chemical in body, mainly in fat tissue and bones. Accumulation of chemicals in body, mainly in fat tissue and bones, is bioaccumulation. Option D is right. Next question is, bioactivation encompasses the following. Bioactivation encompasses the a less harmful substance is converted into more harmful one, and bioactivation is the part of biotransformation process. Option E is right. A and C. Option E is right. Next question is, which of the following enzymes play crucial role in detoxification of chemicals? Crucial role in detoxification of chemicals. Option B is right. Cytochrome P450 oxidase, UDP, glucuronidase transferases, and glutathione S transferases. Option B is right. Question number 8 is, chemicals have a specific target in the body. Chemicals have a specific target in the body, but few does have target and other are non-specific. Few does have target and other are non-specific. Option B is right. Next question is, which is an acute event of toxicity? Which is an acute event of toxicity? Lung inflammation of after 2 days of inhalation of mushed metal dust, and liver toxicity of 3 doses of 500 mg of paracetamol for 1 day only. Option E is right. A and C is right. Question number 10 is, which is true regarding chronic exposure? Chronic exposure, which is true regarding chronic exposure is C. Repeated exposure occurring for a period of more than 3 months. Repeated exposure occurring for a period of more than 3 months is. Next question is, following phase are included is in biotransformation of the chemical. Following phase are included. Phase 1, phase 2 and sometimes phase 3 are included in biotransformation of the chemicals. Option B is right. Phase 1, phase 2 and sometimes phase 3. Next question is, chemicals are toxic at any dose level? Chemicals are toxic at any dose level? No. Option B is right. No, dose determines whether they are toxic. Dose determines whether they are toxic or not. Option B is right. Question number 13. Which of the following will have the most damaging effect? Which of the following will have the most damaging effect? Option C is right. A lipophilic chemical via inhalation route. A lipophilic chemical via inhalation route is most damaging effect. Option C is right. Lipophilic chemical via inhalation route. Next question is, which of the following will have the least damaging effect? Which of the following will have the least damaging effect is A. Hydrophilic chemical, B. A dermal root. Option E is right. A. Hydrophilic chemical, B. A dermal root have the least damaging effect. Option E is right. Next question is, most of the chemical are excreted out by the kidney. Most of the chemical are excreted out by the kidney through urine. Which are the other organ or modes involved in excretion of? Option A, lung through expiration of volatile compound, B, sweat glands, and C, through bile. Option E is right. All of these, A, B, and C. Question number 16 is, which is the biological half life of a chemical? What is the biological half life of the chemical? Is the time in which systematic concentration of a chemical reduces to half of its initial concentration. Option B is right. Next question is, which information can be obtained from an acute toxicity study? Which information can be obtained? Option E is right. Medium toxic dose and medium lethal dose and no observed adverse effect level and target organ. Option E is right. Question number 18 is, if particular dose of a substance X is minimal toxic to animal, substance Y is also minimal toxic to animal at the same dose, but when the doses are administered together, they show that toxicity several order of magnitude higher than compared with individual administration. This is an example of synergism. Option B is right. Synergism. X is minimal toxic and Y is also minimal toxic, but when both are substances are administered together, they show the toxicity. Question number 19 is, a 1 ppm is equivalent to 1 milligram per kg. Option C is right. 1 milligram per kg. Option C is right. 1 ppm is equal to 1 milligram per kg. Next question is, which is true about the LD50? Which is true about the LD50? LD50 means dose of a substance which kills 50% of animal exposed. Dose of a substance which kills 50% of animal exposed. Option B is right. This is the last question of our video. If you found this is helpful for you, please like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.